Yeah, the aim really is to get this sort of topology. And as you can see, I've built a full-fledged lab that has real switches and then Cisco routers all across the estate. I have my data center and I've done an advanced OSPF and how they connect. Now, the data center, as you can see here, is actually the paper cable there. And once again, there's Hanover, which is switch one. These uplinks are the green and the blue, green and blue. And then switch two is Curzon. Uplinks is green and red. Okay. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and start our routers and see if we've established connectivity from GNS3 to your physical devices. Console in, and let's console in yourself. So let's go back to router number 3, which happens to be this one here, and that one. Let's start these core routers as well. Now, these switches, they terminate over at the aggregation layer. All the layer 2 ends here, layer 3 begins here and goes into the core. We want the core to spend all its time and computing power to work on layer 3, forwarding and routing and the distribution and the assets work together on the layer 2 side. So that gives you a logical separation of functions. Layer 2 functions and operations and layer 3 functions and operations. So I'm going to go ahead here and check on router 3 and see if I can ping Hanover. Uh, Show run interface F10 connects to, it's a point-to-point, but it connects to Hanover. Uh, Ping 172.16 dot 254 and dot 10. And here we are. So from GNS3, we can ping our real switch. We can ping the switch. And that also means that if I can ping it, I can telnet, and I'll use its loopback IP 10.0.0.10. And here we are. We can get to the switch. And like I said, show run VLAN 1008, which is this VLAN here. Press enter, and it says I go to Uplink Core A, and this is my IP address, and of course, layer 3 configuration for routing protocol. I'll go ahead again and test from the second uh, router, router 4, to see if I can ping Curzon, and that's Curzon over there. Router 4 show run interface F2/0, and it has 172.16.254.21 over here, and so this guy's going to return it to. I'm going to go ping 172.16.254.22. Good. I can ping Curzon right from within my GNS3. Isn't that amazing? Now I can go ahead and connect to it. 10.0.0.20, and here we are. I'm in the switch. Curzon show run. The VLAN is 1020, and everything's done. So this is how you connect your GNS3 to physical devices. Now, when I hover over here to the top, I have an ISP. The ISP is a paper cable here. It connects to my ASA. This ASA box here. It has these interfaces 1 and 2 going into that VLAN over there on Hanover, and that VLAN would talk to this pair which on the same VLAN and will pass through here. So you don't need to dedicate physical interfaces to do that.